These are Spy Oasis frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall both lenses. Now, to remove one lens, you're going to take one hand and pull outward on the top portion of the frame while pushing downward on the inside of the lens, like so. Again, pull out and push down. Now, the next step in replacing or reinstalling lenses on your Spy Oasis frames is to take the far edge of each of the lenses and place them into the far edge of the grooves of your frame. So you're just going to line them up and slide them right into place and push the remaining portion into their spots. Again, far side into the far side. You just line it up and slide and push. And you're done.